The goal of the program is to turn students into medical missionaries, where they take the love of Jesus at the bedside and beyond. The nursing program at Weimar, we have two programs. We have the ASN degree and RN-to-BSN degree. The program at Weimar is special in my view because it is actually rooted in the medical missionary work.
For me, I've taught at so many other schools, and they all have the same foundation of fundamentals and med-surg and OB and what you need to know for NCLEX. But this program is special because it adds an element of spirituality.
Not only tending to the physical needs of the patients, but to be able to direct our patients to the one who really heals.
Also, not only teaches you how to administer medication, but it also teaches you way beyond that.
There's a lot of lifestyle things. It's not just conventional methods that do work.
They learn how to do hydrotherapy and also massage and natural remedies.
Taking medications the rest of your life is not going to bring health. Everyone knows there's another side effect to the side effect. So realizing how your body works and how you're fearfully and wonderfully made and how the Lord wants to use His way naturally to heal the way He did when He walked upon the earth is super duper important to be a true missionary and a real nurse.
The Bible actually provided us like an instruction on how to live healthy. A lot of times we're so focused on treatment, and a lot of times patients get better with just going back to the simple health practices.
One of the things that actually brought me to Weimar was TCI, Total Community Involvement. Because at Weimar, the nursing program, it has this holistic approach. You can start incorporating that with TCI. You can take the information that you're learning and you can go to these people that have no idea about this and you can start telling them about it.
Ever since I was small, I always read those missionary stories, going to different places, going there and helping, like there's like a boil or something, and then they like make a poultice and then they're cured, and that always appealed to me. I wanted it to be like a ministry where I could reach out.
If you're someone like me who wants to go do mission work and isn't quite sure, how to get a good background or how to start that, if you go through the nursing program, it's not just giving them medications. It's not just taking care of their basic needs.
We have a bigger calling or purpose in this class. It's not just for passing or getting good grades.
It's not always about the money that's going to be made. It's about what the Lord gave you as a gift and what He wants to do with you in that field.
And so we are training future nurses that are dedicated and they are responding to the call to be medical missionaries.
This is so cliche. If your goal is to heal a hurting world, and it's not just to get a degree, you should definitely come to Weimar.